Guys, welcome to my channel. How you doing? So in this video I'll be showing you how to earn $100 or more on TikTok with work with artists. So let's go. First thing, click on the three dots above. So it will take you to this point. Then select creators tools. Okay, select creators tools. It will bring you here under monetization. Under monetization, select work with artists. That is where the magic happens. So you can see first campaign $100, second one 104. Sometimes you can see up to $500 campaign. So what are you supposed to do? Click on any of the campaign. Okay, so you can see it. Now let's see how much you can win. You can win 150, 25, depending on your ranking on the leaderboard. So what is going to rank you is how many likes you get. So look at the requirements. For this one, now three requirements. Some is just two. Okay, use video templates. Okay, you must use this template. The second one, this is the sample of the kind of thing they want. Okay, the video must match with the one there. Don't worry, we'll go and check it so you will see. Then the last one is that the video must be up to 8 seconds. Okay, at least 8 seconds. Now let's check the video out, the sample video, to know the kind of video they want. Okay, tap on it. Okay, now this is it. This one is basically a TikTok a CapCut template that they want you to use. So all you need to do for this particular kind of video is for you to tap on that template, use it to create your video, and come and add the track. Okay, so now use this track. That's normally how this works. You click on use this track because you must use that track. Then it will take you to create video. So you need to create video. So you just go straight. You know how you create your video normal, you upload other videos or select your photos. For this purpose, I'll be selecting some of my photos to make a video. Okay, for the purpose of this tutorial, I will select some of my photos to make a video. Okay, after selecting, go back to TikTok, then I add my description, then after adding description, I post my video. So just add your description, your hashtag and everything, then post the video, then go back here, then select submit post. Select submit post. It will bring you to this place. So you will see the video you've made using the soundtrack, and this is the video that actually made the requirements for the campaign. So it will come here, then you select it. Just select that video. If it's one you created, you can create more than one video actually, but you can just select one. Then if you want TikTok to promote the video for you, then you use it. Select. Then the next thing to do is to select submit. Okay, once you submit, it will tell you submit this selected video. Once submitted, they cannot be reversed. You say no problem, you go ahead and submit. So after submitting your video, it will bring you here. If you have not set up payment, you need to set up, or you just click on got it, no problem. That's not where we're going now. I can show you how to set up payment later. Now, so you will see the video you have created there to start counting. So now what is going to promote you here is your likes. Okay, the winner is determined by the number of likes you get. So you know what to do to get your likes, promote your video, tell people about it. So that's work with artists on TikTok. You can join 2, 3, 4 campaign, 5 at the same time. You are not limited. Just keep trying, just keep being creative. You can get $100, $1,000 in a week doing this. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook, follow me on X, follow me on Instagram, TikTok. Don't forget to tell your friend about my page. And you know what? If you have any question, drop it in the comment. I'll respond. Thank you.